I am Melvin, the co-founder of a team. If you are planning a trip to the US from India, this guide is for you. We will simplify the US visa application process step by step. Step 1. Identify the visa category that aligns with the travel purpose. Tourist or business visa, which is also known as a B1 or a B2 visa. Student visa, which is F1 or an M1 visa. Or a work visa, which is H1B or an L1 visa. Choosing the correct category is crucial for a successful visa application. Step 2. Complete the DS-160 form. Access the DS-160 form online. The link is provided below. This form requires personal information, travel plans, and security information. Ensure all information is accurate before submission. Special tips. Preparation. Gather all necessary documents before starting. Time commitment. Completing the visa application form may take 1 to 4 hours. Patience is the key. Accuracy. Avoid guesswork. The information provided significantly impacts your visa decision. If you find the traditional method overwhelming, you can consider using our services. Links to our site and the official website are below. Step 3. After submitting the DS-160 application form, pay the visa application fee. Fees vary by the visa type and can be paid online or through the authorized banks. Visit stampthepassport.com for the latest fee information. Step 4. Schedule the biometrics and visa interview appointment. Create a profile and pay the visa fees to schedule the appointment. Step 5. Gather the required documents. Before your interview, prepare the following. Passport, valid for at least 6 months beyond your date of travel. The DS-160 confirmation page. Appointment confirmation. Supporting documents such as invitation letters and financial statements depending upon your visa type. Create a checklist and verify all documents. Step 6. Attend the biometrics and the visa interview. Arrive the application center or the consulate at least 15 minutes before your appointment. You will undergo security checks before your interview. The consular officer will inquire about your travel plans and may request for some additional documents. If approved, your passport will be returned for visa stamping. If denied, the passport will be returned back. If your visa is not approved, ask for the reason or contact our team. We will analyze the rejection and assist you in reapplying. Step 7. Wait for visa processing. Post-interview visa processing may take from a few days to several weeks. You will be notified when your passport with the visa is ready for pickup or delivery. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or need any assistance with your visa application, please leave a comment below or you can reach out to us directly. Remember to like and share this video.